Most online shoppers waste time comparing prices and often end up paying more than they need to. Reading hundreds of reviews and researching products can make buying decisions far more difficult than they should be. That's why I decided to test the Shopfox Chrome Extension. After installing the extension, I tested it across several different product categories to see how useful its features really are in real-world shopping situations. The first product I tested was a laptop. This is exactly the type of purchase where most people spend a lot of time researching before making a decision. While browsing, Shopfox provided additional shopping insights directly alongside the product information. One of the first features I evaluated was a price comparison functionality. Instead of manually checking multiple websites and comparing prices myself, I was able to quickly view additional pricing information while researching the product. Personally, I found this feature useful because it reduces the amount of time spent searching for better deals across different retailers. Next, I wanted to see how Shopfox performed with a completely different product category, so I tested it on a pair of headphones. When shopping for headphones, many buyers spend a significant amount of time reading customer reviews because there are often hundreds or even thousands of opinions available. This gave me a good opportunity to test a review summary feature. Instead of scrolling through countless reviews manually, Shopfox helped surface key information much faster. In my experience, this was one of the most useful features because it allowed me to understand the most common pros and cons without spending excessive time reading individual reviews. After that, I tested the extension on coffee machines. This category was particularly useful for evaluating price comparison features because prices can vary substantially depending on the retailer. Once again, I found that having additional pricing information available during the shopping process made research more efficient. Rather than jumping between multiple websites, it was easier to evaluate available options while staying focused on the product I was considering. I then moved on to standing desks. Standing desks are often available in many different styles, sizes, and price ranges, making them a good category for testing Shopfox's AI-powered recommendations. I wanted to see whether the tool could help simplify the decision-making process. After testing the feature, I found that the AI recommendations provided additional context and useful shopping insights that helped narrow down options more quickly. I still believe shoppers should do their own research before making major purchases, but having extra information available definitely helps when comparing products. After testing Shopfox across multiple categories, 3 features stood out the most. First is the price comparison feature. This is probably the feature most shoppers will benefit from because it can help identify better purchasing opportunities without requiring extensive manual research. Second is the review summary feature. For me, this was one of the biggest time-saving tools because it reduced the need to read through large numbers of customer reviews. And third is the AI recommendation system. While it won't make purchasing decisions for you, it can help organize information and make product comparisons feel much less overwhelming. Overall, I found that Shopfox integrates naturally into the shopping process. Rather than changing how you shop, it provides useful information while you're already browsing products online. After testing Shopfox across laptops, headphones, coffee machines, and standing desks, I can definitely see how it can save time when researching products, comparing deals, and making purchasing decisions. If you do a lot of online shopping and want a faster way to compare prices, review products, and evaluate buying options, Shopfox is worth checking out. You can find the Shopfox Chrome extension using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.